Renewable and non-renewable resources pretest. Number 1. A student placed a thermometer in 3 boxes, each painted a different color, and put each box outside for 30 minutes. The student recorded the starting and ending temperatures in the chart below. Box, starting temperature, ending temperature. White, blue, black. Based on the data in the chart, which color should a student use when building a solar panel? White, blue, black. The color will have no effect. Number 2. An energy company wants to build a hydroelectric power plant. Which of these characteristics of an area is most important to the development of a hydroelectric power plant? A. The area has a cool, rainy climate. B. The area is located in a valley with very little wind and frequent heavy fog. C. The area has a river that flows rapidly from nearby mountains through a valley. D. The area has no geysers or hot springs. Number 3. A group of 5th grade students was researching alternative energy resources in the school library. Each student made a list of resources. Which list contains only alternative energy resources? F. Wind, solar, oil, geothermal. G. Biofuel, coal, geothermal, solar. H. Hydroelectric, coal, gas, wind. J. Solar, biofuel, wind, geothermal. Number 4. Which process helps transform remains of organisms into fossil fuels? A. Compression. B. Erosion. C. Eruption. D. Weathering. Number 5. Which of the following processes leads to the formation of fossil fuels? F. Horses and cattle eating grass. G. Water evaporating from the ocean. H. Rocks weathered into small pebbles. J. Organisms buried under layers of rock. Number 6. Coal, oil, and natural gas are called fossil fuels. Which of the following best explains why they are given this name? A. They are found near petrified logs. B. They form in bone-shaped patterns. C. They remain at the surface of the Earth's crust. D. They form from the remains of organisms. Number 7. Many cities are taking actions to cause less harm to the environment. Which action produces energy from an alternative source? F. Burning coal to heat homes. G. Replacing lawns with plants that require less water. H. Using biofuels to generate electricity. J. Building a new water treatment plant to improve water quality. Number 8. Coal is formed from dead plant and animal materials that have been covered by F. Sheets of ice. G. Stacks of wood. H. Layers of sediment. J. Gallons of water. Number 9. The production of coal requires many steps, beginning with peat, moss, and followed by peat buried by sediment, water squeezed out of peat by pressure, addition of heat, and more pressure. This entire process takes place A. Over the lifespan of the moss plant. B. Over a 12-month period depending on weather conditions. C. Over millions of years. D. Over the span of a decade. Number 10. Which of these shows a person using an alternative energy source to perform a task? A. Using a gasoline-powered mower. B. Drying laundry in the sun. C. Driving a diesel truck. D. Cooking on a gas stove. Don't forget to write your explanations on the lines.